Welcome to this 3-bedroom townhouse for sale in Waterkloof, South Africa for R1,145,000. Weber FNWR 44422 have the feel of a weekend home in this popular complex on the outskirts of Rustenburg with manicured parks and a beautiful riverfront. A place where you can relax or gather your thoughts or have a nice picnic. Very safe for afternoon walks. Newly built with one owner. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.